What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Wil Mikahson. If you're new here, I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. If any of that interests you, I would love for you to consider joining our family here, and you could do so by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every single time I load a new video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be continuing our apartment update. We're going to be changing out our counter stools. For the longest time, from my last apartment, I had Barstools, but I kept using them at counter height counters. And while I love them and they serve their purpose for the last 5 years, I think it's time for an upgrade. So I'm going to be unboxing the ones I purchased, telling you about those, and we're gonna swap them out and put them together. So if you're an OG to this channel, you remember these Barstools that came from my last apartment. The cats have destroyed this leather. They've scratched it. It's a hot mess. I do love the aesthetic of it, but I think it's time for them to move on to their next home. So the bar stools that I chose to go with was the 26-inch Lue Bona gray with black hardware counter stools, and when I saw them on the website, I thought that they were really, really nice. I did not get to see them in person, and I did purchase them from homedepot.com, and I got a discount on them. So I think for a set of 4, it's normally $417 or $400 and maybe $50. I purchased our set of 4 for $370. So I was really, really excited. And I said, you know what, what's the worst case scenario? We get them and we don't like them. But I thought it was a great color because it matched the couch. And I know that everything in here is becoming very dark, but we're gonna find some way to add some light to the space down the road. So this is the box that the bar stools come in. This is a set of 2 in this box. So since I got 4, 2 came in this box, 2 came in another box. They're very, very heavy boxes. So if you guys get this delivered to your house, have them bring it right into your garage. We have a package room downstairs, so we had to get a big cart and lug these down the hallway like a bell cart. We went to get the bell cart, but they didn't have a bell cart, so they gave us like just a regular like big metal thing. And we carried the 2 of them upstairs, which was a lot, but it was 2 of us, so we managed. But like I said, this is the box. I've heard of stories of people getting their boxes damaged. Luckily, we only had this one little cut here. But like I said, it says Lue Bona ×2, and it says carbon gray and black. Black again was what the feet is made of. And I guess the code is YB as in boy 054-03.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
I am not one who typically likes to read directions. I think that I'm smart enough to figure it out on my own, but today we are definitely going to follow the directions that came with these bar stools. But this is what it looks like, you guys. I think they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're a charcoal gray linen. And this is the stool. I think it's really, really nice. I can't wait to get the legs on this baby.
Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
And voila, you guys, we are completed with the first bar stool. It was relatively easy to put together. It took me about 10-15 minutes, and we are now going to put together the other 3, and then I'll check back in with you guys when they're all done.
In Christmas times, oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for checking out my video of me setting up my counter stools that I got from Home Depot. They're still contemporary. I love the juxtaposition of the white lower portion of the counter with the darker gray and the black metals. I think it was just the perfect accent for our living space. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think below. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it started snowing. There is snow behind me, and it is just, the holiday season is upon us, and I just wanted family and some home upgrades for Christmas. I did not really want much for myself. I still do not know what I got for Christmas because it's not Christmas just yet. I'm currently trying to film these videos as well as the collectionist videos. So Christmas has not come yet. It is tomorrow. And there's gonna be some home videos, bar stools. We got another chair for our bedroom, and we also got a new Dyson that I'm going to unbox with all of you guys. So stay tuned for that. But I hope that you and your families are doing well. I hope that you're safe and enjoying the magic of the holiday season. Mwah. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.